No, man, actually, Fusekan. Because what the hell do you mean? All of a sudden, you didn't know. You stood here on TikTok multiple times and told us that you did your research. You told us that you did your research. You would never promote something you never researched. All of a sudden, because now there's accountability involved, all of a sudden, you didn't know. You didn't have enough information. My babes, your video is from 2025, late 2024. There are videos that are over 12 months that exist on YouTube, even here on TikTok, from reliable news sources. If you did the research you said you did, you would have known that there was an investigation that is pending for human rights violations, for human trafficking, and the likes. There is a girl, if not more than one, that looked at your video and saw an opportunity to take care of their family, because in South Africa we don't have jobs and we are desperate for any income that's going to arrive, that is now stuck in Russia and she can't come home because you convinced her that the video you did your research. Do you know how fucking screwed up that is? And I don't give a shit if no brand works with me after this video. Do you know how fucking screwed up that is, that you were able to sell someone, a human being? You put a price on human motherfucking beings. You put a price on someone and sold them to a country that they cannot come back from. And you want us to take your story after gaslighting us and telling us that you... Oh my God, do you understand how serious the thing that you did is? Your story does nothing. Bantu who are probably having to sleep with old Russian men trying to get home and they can't. Have you ever felt stuck? Now imagine being stuck in a country that is not yours. What do you mean? I'm screaming at the top of my lungs and I have tonsils. But fuck you, actually, man. Fuck it. Fusekani. Bantu are stuck in Russia because of you and your responsibility and your irresponsibility at that. And now you're going to say you are sorry. After you did multiple videos, being paid 150,000 rand, that's how much a human life was worth to you.
Why is nobody in South Africa talking about this? Because this is absolutely insane. Nearly 200 South Africans are reportedly trapped in Thailand after being lured into a human trafficking ring. Yes, you heard that right. Nearly 200. Now, apparently, they were lured into the country through advertisements on social media. These advertisements said they were looking for young South African professionals, proficient in English, computer literate, and qualified in IT or marketing. They were promised well-paying jobs, free accommodation, and travel benefits as well. However, when they arrived, along with thousands of other victims from around the world, they were apparently forced into brutal treatment, physical torture, and forced labor, working 16 hours a day. And all of this literal slavery is allegedly at the hands of a Chinese mafia network. This sounds absolutely unreal, but it's happening apparently. 26 of these South Africans have thankfully been rescued and brought back to South Africa. However, almost 200 remain stranded in Southeast Asia at the moment, and our government is apparently working with various groups to try and bring them back.
Bafos, matatarena, akole lo fela. So bare ho na le this program bare ke Alabuga program, which is based Korashia. So this company e use the content creators, le di influencers hore ba ba promote ba fe the young girls this picture that ho na le employment Korashia. Ho na le employment da so ho na le career e sharp o ka tshwara zaka o ka bethela ke moya wa namela di plane wa bereka overseas. So no use unemployment ke baya and ba attract her specifically the black girls, African girls. So baya kan hlela thinking hore bo bereka sharp bo bereka ntofo. Once ba lenda ba tsena go this place ba re ke dome, they are under lockdown. Ha ona re o ka tswa da so phone ya immediately it's under surveillance. Le bereka da so ho manufacturer di drones. The drones se ba di berekisa go ntweng da so. You must know hore wa itse Russia wa lwewa 1 2 3. So ba berekisa go factory ntsela hore ba ire ona diabetes. So ba re hore ba choose specifically the black girls is because the chemicals tsela ba di berekisang they are dangerous. Mara a di react that much on the skins that the Africans. So they have no safety ba bereka da so a bereke ka di safety measures. They are just there. They can't even go out. But if you want to go home, then you must pay 20,000 rand.
Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ungene. Thank you very much. Ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe i-channel, like i-video, share i-video as well. So asingeneni kule daba lwe-Alabuga start program yase-Russia la ke kukhohliswa khona ke amantombazana asesemancane, especially from the age of 18 to 22. I like to think ukuthi musa sona 18, even abanye nje kuya lapho ko 20 something basaseka matric, abanye khona baqeda into kanjalo, basasebancane bafowethu. So yonke lento ye-Russian company, dodgy company called Alabuga ntontoni, lena ke kuthiwa ama-influencers, bona laba thina sibathembile ama-influencers, ibona ke okusetshenziswa bona ukuthi kukhohliswe la mantombazana asesemancane, bapronyiswe ke imisebenzi emihle, very good job opportunities khona le ngase-Russia. Kusho ukuthi mase befika laphana ke angazi ukuthi abafike hey izinto sezishintshile, subnikezwa nje omunye umsebenzi ezwini ukuthi iRussia vele i-country ukuthi kune-war khona, izimpi ezingapheli into ekanjalo. Kuthiwa ke labo mantombazana bafike ke basetshenziswe lezo zinto, angazi drones zani ke khona lapho. Wena uthi ufika nje lento ilandile akuseyiyona, it's another story. Human trafficking as well, yonke leyo nto nje kuthi abantwana bayahlupheka laba abayangale, abanye ke udaba soluphumile ukuthi hayibo guys, lama influencers esibabonayo Sayin Bhuti, Osima, Anita, into kanjalo, laba engizobalahlela ithombeni noma abanye amagama wabo engathi ke ayangilahlekela, ibona ade be advertise le company yase-Russia kuthiwa i-Alabuga start program ntontoni. Angazi futhi wena uhamba uthi hayibo ngemalini phela ngalo, uthi uma ufika girl kuthiwa ke hayi impilo zabantwana, and the fact that ngabantwana basesebancane abantu bathi why beningenzi research before nizo advertise, ngoba bebe advertise. I mean, if you're an influencer, cabanga phela kusetshenziswa bona laba ne large following, umuntu na 2 million followers, umuntu na 3 million followers, obviously yibo ke bekusetshenziswa bona ukuthi ke ba advertise le company, ba advertise, and then abantwana abancane bathi awu imali sengiqedile ukufunda awuthi ngiye ngaphesheya, kanti lutho uzofika uhlangane ke nokunye nje obungakulandanga into ekanjalo. So baphezulu kwabo lama influencers abantu on social media ukuthi why ningenzanga i-research. But umuntu uyabuka ama videos wabo, they were like, I did my research, this Alabuga start program, very good opportunities in Russia, you earn your money, you khona manje sebesenza ama videos apology ngoba they are in trouble. Nakhona nje they are in trouble ngokuthi bangaboshwa for this particular thing. Sebethi no, I thought only if I knew ukuthi this was what it is, I wasn't gonna. Girl, you said you did your research. Mangabe uthe wena you did your research, should you advertise into ukuthi wena uyazi ukuthi hayi ngempela yonke into lapha ni safe uma ufika, accommodation yilona nje umsebenzi, imali, you know, uresearchile wena ukuthi bazoba safe abantwana babantu labo wena obabiza la eSouth Africa. Ngazi ukuthi black girls, I guess it's not only in South Africa but in Africa nje amantombazana ababantu abamnyama kakhulukazi asesebancane ke uzubone nje makuthiwa age 18 to 22. Why that particular age group 18 to 22? Ingane esesencane lezo, abanye khona beka matric, abanye khona besaqeda into ekanjalo. Why ningathi 25 ukuya le phezulu, uyazi ukuthi okay loyo umuntu useqedile isikole mhlambe nayo sezama ukuyisebenzela. Why 18 to 22? Mina benzovele ngibuze nje lapho ukuthi why labo 18 to 22, that particular age group, abantwana basasebancane, why? You know what I mean? Uyayibona ke human trafficking khona lapho ukuthi abantwana basuka la behanjiswe le for izinto okungezona, bafike ngale bahlupheka. Wayizwa le ndaba yase Dubai ukuthi bahamba nabangane bathi mabefika le eDubai sebephila kanzima, abanye sebehlala emigaqeni, abanye yiyo le nto le wrong. Don't advertise something that you did not do fully research. Wa research ukuthi ngempela hayi labo sisi mabeya ngale they are safe. I think ngiyabona le ntombazana ebidlala i-video lapha nethi ngafika ngahamba ngayobona ngathi mina ngeke ngidayisa into engayibonanga ntontontoni. Okusala you didn't do much research ke ntombo. You're supposed to do more research ngoba impilo zabantwana lezi and bahambisa ko Russia nale Alabuga yenu. Okay guys, ithini ke nginelo kungana ama videos amanye nje ama content creators kade kukhulunywa, especially uDominic. Dominic ubephezulu kwabo, ngathi phezulu kwabo Dominic, and nafisa ngathi bengaboshwa. Ngifisa sengathi bangaboshwa. This is human trafficking. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ukuthi mase ngifike eRussia izinto sezishintshile. It's not what you said. You know what I mean?